When you want to impress, and presentation means everything. But there's no time to lose. Why go through the splish, splash, splosh? Someone knows about one dry wash. Let's just rewind and see what happened there. There's only one product and only one process. Shake to activate and clean one panel at a time. One dry wash locks in the dirt particles as it dries. Then just wipe off. It's non-aggressive, so it looks after your car's surfaces. Just clean around the car, not forgetting the wiper blades and wheels. Up to 7 washes in every bottle, and for each bottle you save 1 ton of water. No need to use a bucket and sponge or hose pipes, and compared to conventional washing it only takes half the time. And when you're done, the cloths can simply be washed at 40 degrees ready to be used again. But one dry wash is not just for cars, it can be used for caravans and motorhomes, boats, vans, motorbikes and even push bikes.
Nice job, Ruby. Do you want to clean mine next?
One dry wash. No water, no mess, no time. Go to our website at www.onedrywash.com. Also available at all Auto Glass outlets. One product, one process, one dry wash.